Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I will show you this amazing WhatsApp chatbot that I have created to automate enrollments in my music classes. So I have created this WhatsApp chatbot inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, and this chatbot will work for me while I sit and rest. And this chatbot will work whenever any user will send it any text message. Then after that, this particular chatbot will reply them automatically, and it will help them enroll in my music classes. So now I will take you to my screen, and there we will see how this chatbot will work in real time. Hello everyone, here on my screen you can see that I have already created this flow of my WhatsApp chatbot inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So without any delay, I will show you a real-time example of how this WhatsApp chatbot will work. And for that, we will open my WhatsApp account, and inside this chat, I just have to send this keyword enroll. After that, you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot has got triggered instantly, and here it has sent me this welcome message. Hello there, welcome to Melody Academy, where your musical journey begins. How can I help you today? And just below this text, I have got these three different buttons to interact with this WhatsApp chatbot. So I will interact with this WhatsApp chatbot as a student who wants to get enrolled in any classes inside this particular academy. So to view classes, I will click on this view classes button. After that, you will see that this bot has sent me this list of classes. So I will open this list from here, and here are all the classes that this particular academy provides. So from this particular list, I will select this particular class, Guitar Groove, and I will send it inside this chat. After that, you will see that this bot has sent me another message where it is asking me to enter a date when would I like to start my Guitar Groove classes. So inside this chat, I will enter this particular date, 16th of October 2025, and after that you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will send me another message, and here it is asking me for my name. So I will also enter my name inside this chat, and after that this bot will send me another message. So here I have sent this name, and now this bot is asking me for my contact number. So I will also enter my contact number inside this chat, and after that you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot is asking me for my email ID. So I will quickly enter my email ID inside this chat, and here I have sent it. After that, you can see this bot is asking me for my age. So I will enter my age and I will send it inside this chat. After that, you can see this bot has sent me this message. Great, you are almost done. To confirm your seat for Guitar Groove, please complete the payment below. So as I want to pay now, so I will click on this pay now button. After that, you will see that this particular bot has sent me this payment link. So I will click on this link given here, and as this is a tutorial video, that's why I have added this dummy payment page. So in real life, after your student has paid for their courses, then they have to go on WhatsApp account, and then whenever they will click on this done button, automatically they will receive this particular message. Thanks for choosing us, Jai Tripathi. Your Guitar Groove class starts on 16th of October 2025. So you just saw how easily I could book this guitar classes for myself with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot. And the creation of this WhatsApp chatbot is much more easier than booking the classes with the help of this chatbot. So now I will show you how you can also create such an amazing WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, we will open a new tab and search for this pabbly.com/chatflow, and this will get us directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And inside this page, on the right corner, you can see you have got these two different buttons, sign in and sign up free. So to create a new account, you have to click on this sign up free button. And for your information, let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow gives every new user 100 free credits every month to create such amazing WhatsApp chatbots. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on this sign in button. But before clicking on this, I would like to share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. So Pabbly has this amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members. Here individuals share their ideas and ask questions from our experts, and here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then you have to check the link that I have added in the description box of this video. And now, as I am an existing user, so I will go back to this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and then I will click on this sign in button. After that, you can see I have got directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow, so that's why I will click on this access now button. And after that, I will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And when you are inside this dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is you have to add your WhatsApp number by clicking on this add WhatsApp number button given on the right side here. And you can select any of these two different methods, WhatsApp Connect method or manual token connect method, to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And on the left side here, you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you just have to check the description box of this video. We have added link of separate videos explaining each of these following features. And after adding your WhatsApp number, to start creating a WhatsApp chatbot, you have to click on this flows features given on the left side here, and then you have to select this flows. After that, you will get directed on this flow builders page, and in here you can see these are all the WhatsApp chatbots that I have created for myself, and this is the exact same chatbot that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. So first of all, I will deactivate this particular WhatsApp chatbot from here, as I am going to create this exact same chatbot with you guys. And then I will click on this add flows button. After that, I will get directed on this most important window for our chat flow, where this trigger button is now visible to us. But before working on this trigger button, I will give a name to this chatbot as this new chatbot to automate music class enrollments, and then we will work on our trigger button. And inside this trigger button, you can see we have got these three different boxes: trigger event, enter keywords, and enter rejects. So for this trigger event is like the event on which I want my chatbot to get triggered. So when I will click on this drop down, you can see this is the list of all the trigger events available. So from this list, I will select this particular event, keyword or rejects match, because I want my chatbot to get triggered with the help of some keywords that I will enter inside this particular box. So to add a keyword, you just have to type down that keyword and press this enter button, and here this keyword has got added successfully. So I will add one more keyword, this enroll, and I will again press this enter button, and this keyword has also got added successfully. And this enter rejects box, this rejects stands for regular expressions, and this we use when we want to extract some particular keyword from a paragraph. But for now, I will be skipping this, and then we will move towards my first action step. So for my first action step, I want that whenever any customer has sent me any of these following keywords inside my chat, I want to send them a welcome message. So to frame a welcome message, we have to drag in this text button, and then inside this enter message box, I will enter this welcome message for my customer. You can see this is the exact same welcome message that I have got here when I entered this particular text enroll in this chat. So just below this particular text, you can see there are three different buttons. So inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, I will add three different buttons just below this particular text, and in those buttons I will add these following text. So in the first button, I will add this text view classes. Then in the second button, I will add this text talk to a mentor, and in the last button I will add this particular text about us. And then we have to work on each of these following buttons one by one. So first of all, let us set up this view classes button. So for that, I want that whenever any customer clicks on this view class button, I want to send them a list of all the classes that I have in my academy. So to frame that, I will drag in this list, and then first of all I will connect both of these following circles. After that, I will enter the body of my list as this here are our available classes, and just below this particular body, inside this footer message, I will enter this message choose from below. And then you can see as inside this WhatsApp, I have got this list, and inside this list there were 4 different classes for my students to select from. So that's why inside this particular WhatsApp chatbot, I will add a section, and inside that particular section I will click on this add items button 4 times, because I want to add 4 different classes for my students. And then we will work on the first item of our list. So you can see inside this section title, I will enter this particular text classes, and inside this title of our first class, I will enter this text piano mastery, and just below this for this description, I will enter this text that I have written here, learn from basics to performance level 2500 per month. So this is how you can create an item for yourself. So just like this, I will quickly add text inside all of my remaining items. So here you can see I have added these 4 different items inside my list: piano mastery, guitar groove, vocal studio, and this drumming beat. Now I want that whenever any customer selects any of these following classes, I want to store the selections made by my customer, and this can be made possible with the help of this custom field. So I will drag in this custom field, and first of all I will connect this particular custom field with this item vocal studio, and after that for this contact custom field, I will select this particular field selected classes which I have created to store store the classes selected by my customer, and then inside this enter value box I just have to paste the same name of the title as this particular enter value. And here I have successfully created this contact custom field for this particular item, Vocal Studio. Now whenever any customer will select this particular class for themselves, then this particular bot will store the selections made by my customer. So just like this, I will quickly add contact custom field to each of my remaining buttons. And here I have successfully added this contact custom fields for each of my following classes. Now I will click on this save button to save the work that I have done here, and then I will show you how you can also create a contact custom field for yourself. So to create a contact custom field, you have to go on this settings, and from here you have to select this contact custom field, and then inside this window you will see that all the custom fields that I have created for myself are now visible to me. So to add one more field, I just have to click on this add more field button, and then after giving a name to this particular field, I will click on this save button, and this field is now saved successfully. Now I can access this custom field inside my flow. So you can see this is the flow in which I am working. So inside this flow, when I will click on this drop down of contact custom field, this new field test has been created successfully. So this is how you can create a contact custom field for yourself. Now we will move towards my next action step. So for my next action step, as I want to ask some questions from my customer, so that's why I will drag in this ask question button inside this particular page. And first of all, I will connect all of these following contact custom fields with this particular question buttons, and after that we will frame this question for our customer. And here, if I will show you inside my WhatsApp chat, after I have selected this particular course for myself, this WhatsApp chatbot has asked me these 5 continuous questions one by one. So that's why to frame all of these 5 questions, I will copy this particular question button, and I will create 5 question buttons to ask 5 questions from my customer. So here I have added all of these 5 question buttons. So first of all, I will connect all of these following question buttons with each other, and then I will frame the questions inside each of my question button. Now for the first question, I want to ask my student their starting date. So that's why inside this enter message box, I will enter this message where I am asking my customer to share their starting date. And you can see inside this particular text, I have used this $sign and this selected class custom field, with the help of which I can map the class selected by my customer. And you can see this is the exact same contact custom field that I have created here to store the class selected by my customer. And with this, you can see for this contact custom field of this particular question, I will select this particular custom field start date, which I have created to store the starting date given by my customer. And for this format, I will select this format as any. After that, we will move on our second question. So here you can see I have entered these questions inside all of my question buttons, and now one by one I will select this contact custom field for each of my questions. So for this full name, I will select this contact custom field full name, and inside this format I will select it as text. And inside this contact number question, I will select this custom field of phone, and then inside this format I will select it as any. And then for this contact custom field of email ID, I will select this email contact custom field, and for this format I will select this email. And after that, for this age question, I will select this age contact custom field, and inside this format I will select it as any. After that, you can see as I have successfully framed all of my following questions. So after this, I want to ask my customer to pay for their course. So for that, I will drag in this text button, and then inside this enter message box, I will enter this message for my customer, where you can see I am asking my customer to select their payment method. So that's why just below this particular text button, I will add 2 different buttons in which I will add text, pay now and pay later. But before that, let me connect both of these following buttons with each other. After that, I will add text inside these buttons, pay now and pay later. And first of all, let us set up this pay now button. So if any customer clicks on this particular button, I want to send them another message. So I will drag in this text button, and then inside this enter message box, I will paste this payment link for my customer. And here I am pasting this dummy link, but you can change this particular link with a real link if you are creating this chatbot for real life. So first of all, I will connect both of these following circles. After that, just below this particular text, I will add this button, done. And just below this link, I will type down this particular text. After payment, click on the button given below, and just after this, if my customer clicks on this done button, I want to send them a thank you message. So for that, I again drag this text button, and then inside this enter message box I will enter this message for my customer. Here you can see I have thanked my customer for choosing this particular course with us. Now I just have to connect both of these following circles, and I have successfully completed this pay now button. And after this, for this pay later button, I will again drag in this text button, and then inside this text enter message box I will enter the message for my customer, where I have told my customer that they can pay for their selected class within the next 24 hours by just clicking on the button below. And you can see I have added this button, pay now. So now I will connect this particular button with this particular text button, and here after the customer clicks on this pay now button, he will automatically get directed on this particular button with a payment link so that they can pay directly for their course from here. And now we will move towards the second button, this talk to a mentor. So if any customer clicks on this particular button, talk to a mentor, I want to send them a question. So I will drag in this question, and then inside this enter message box I will enter this question for my customer. Feel free to share your query. Our mentor will connect with you soon. So I will connect both of these following buttons, and after that whenever a customer replies their query to your chat, then after that you can manually reply to that particular query of your customer. Or you can also assign a AI assistant that you can also create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And you can see we will move toward this third button, about us. So to frame this I will drag in this text button, and then inside this enter message box I will enter this message for my customer, where I have provided my customer with all the details about Melody Academy. And just below this particular text button I have added these two different buttons, view classes and back to menu. So if my customer clicks on this view classes button, I want to direct them to this particular list, so I will connect this button with this list. And if my customer clicks on this back to menu button, I want to direct them to this particular menu, so I will connect this button with this menu. And here I have successfully completed the creation of our WhatsApp chatbot. So now I will just click on this save button to save our flow, because otherwise this particular flow will not work as expected. And then we will open my WhatsApp account, and there we will again check if this WhatsApp chatbot is working properly or not. So I will open my WhatsApp account, and after that we will again send this particular keyword enroll inside this particular chat. And here you can see I have again got this welcome message. This means that our WhatsApp chatbot is working properly. Now I just have to interact with this particular WhatsApp chatbot to book a music class for myself. So this is how you can also create such an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want, then you can also clone this flow by copying the link of this flow from the description box of this video. And if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel. And for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp chatbots to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. And for your queries, you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check up this following website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.